All right, so we've created the object laser and we've done a little programming with that. But now that the laser's created, we have to control it. And in this weird kind of counterintuitive way, we're actually going to control the laser by editing the rocket object. Okay? So I know we've got several rocket objects here, and I've since realized we really could have done this with just one, but we're not going to change it now. So we're going to select our first rocket object. You can either double click on it or right click and go to properties, and it will open up this window right here. Okay. The first thing we need to do is give a command to create our laser. We're going to use the space bar on the keyboard to begin the creation of our laser. So what I want you to do is to create a press space event. So it's under the key press options. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Event. We're going to click Key Press, and we want to choose Space. Okay? Now, we have to program the space bar here. So we're going to add two actions. We're going to create an instance. So we're looking for first of all, we have to have the space key selected. And we're going to go to main one, and we're going to drag the light bulb on here. Okay, so this is called creating an instance. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an instance of the object. So we're going to select right next to no object, we're going to select object laser. What we want to do, since we want to tie this laser to the rocket, we actually have to click the relative checkbox right here. And then we're going to click OK. The thing we have to do is add this sprite icon. It's on the main one tab, so we're going to drag that over. And I'm going to tell you the settings, and then I'm going to tell you the reasoning behind this. You're going to click Object, and you're going to change it to Object Laser. So you want to change the top to Object Laser, and then the sprite, we want to select Sprite Laser Hide. And then you don't have to select anything else. I'm going to explain the directions as I'm seeing them in the course instructions. It says that we do this, what we just did, because when the sprite first appears, it appears in the middle of the rocket ship. If you're familiar with how firearms function, you can think of pressing the space bar as moving a cartridge or shell into the battery and cocking the fire mechanism. The space bar creates the laser, but the laser has not been fired yet. Go ahead and save where you are just to be sure everything's saved, and then keep this open because we have one more part to this.